Hey dude, check out this riff that I've been working on. And then it just kind of repeats like that.
Okay. Well, I don't know how to tell you this, but that is obviously More Than a Feeling by Boston.
Oh, damn. You're right. We can't use that. What about this one? What about that?
Dude, that is Slow Dancing in a Burning Room by John Mayer. You did not write that.
Ah, shit. That does sound a little like Slow Dancing in a Burning Room.
Dude, it doesn't sound a little like anything. It is it. That is the song.
Okay. What about this one? I've been working on it really hard. What about that?
Dude, that's just fucking Sweet Home Alabama played really badly.
Well, damn, dude. I'm trying. What about this one? And it just kind of repeats like that.
That doesn't really sound familiar at all.
Of course not, dude. I wrote it.
Alright, play it again. Yeah, that fucking sucks.
I hate you so much.